So here the point P is here. So shall I do it directly? Sum of moments about point P. Let me do it directly.
Okay, sir.
So first is 3 into 1. This one is moving clockwise, so minus. The next force is 2 into total distance. We need to take total distance, that is 1 plus 3, and this one is going in anti-clockwise, so this is positive. We get minus 3 plus 2 for the 8, that is 5 Newton meter. Now the answer is positive, which means it is in anti-clockwise direction. Find it here. Point P is here, so we get 4 times 2 plus 1. This one is moving in clockwise, so minus. Then 2 newtons into 1. This one is moving anti-clockwise, so plus. Then 3 into 1 again. This one is going clockwise, so minus. So we get 4 to the 8, minus 8 plus 2 minus 3. So here we are getting minus 9 Newton meter. Minus means it is acting in clockwise direction. And coming here, again the point P is here. So 7 into total distance, that is 2, and it is acting in anti-clockwise, so plus. Then 3 times 1, it's acting in clockwise direction, so minus. And 4 times 2, this is acting in anti-clockwise, so plus. So 14 minus 3 plus 8, so that is 17 Newton meter. Now this is positive, which means it is in anti-clockwise direction.